After a long winter in the Northwest, my friend Jake and I finally had an opportunity to get out and go explore. The weather was iffy, but we didn't really mind. We just wanted to get out, go somewhere we have never been before. We decided to go and explore in the Colville area and the Colville National Forest. Sit back, maybe grab a beverage. Hope you enjoy. So we had to pull over because this sunset right now is just pretty. We've been looking at it for 20 minutes. It's just constantly changing. All right, just starting day one, getting ready to go grab some breakfast. We had a nice little sleep last night at this little hotel, the Colville Inn. Jake's just finishing up, loading up on this freaking beast. Black Beauty. What, have you named it yet?
Not yet.
It's coming, all right. All right, we'll go grab some breakfast and then we'll see you on the road. I mean, we really couldn't ask for a better day right now. Out here along the Columbia River, which is also, this is Lake Roosevelt. And it's just some of the best roads, the best weather we've had. And we're following this. About 10 miles from the Canadian border, north that way. This road, it's a high traffic road with a lot of side-by-side traffic on it. So this road is going to skirt the border essentially. We're going to run parallel with the border heading west, and then we'll hit another road a ways down and maybe go up to the border and say hi to the Canadians. See if there's anything over there. Cool. An old creek bed right there, or maybe some tailings. Snack break. Been riding roads for, I don't know, several hours. Just found this little skid road. Nothing special, but not a soul around, and that's exactly what we were looking for. What you eating over there?
Protein bar.
Ooh, hey. Don't you wish you had some of this tactical bacon?
It's not that cool.
We made it to our campground. Ended up going back to the one that has this amazing lake down there. And you're ready to set up some camp. The Giga Pump. Throw this little attachment on there. Pop it in. And about 2 minutes later, it'll be inflated. Too easy. Not even 2 minutes. Pretty impressive. Not bad for like, I don't know, 10 bucks. I'm gonna head down to the lake over there, maybe try a little bit of fly fishing, and then fill up my water bottle. Let's go. Well, this is a pretty awesome little spot. Can't really see, but there's a beaver right over there. He's popped his tail twice. He's right there. Keeps flapping his tail. Not too happy that I'm hanging out over here, I guess, but hey, I can fish. Well, no fish. Not real surprised, like I said. Not a whole lot of options here, but I did get my water filled up, so that's good. Good to go for tomorrow. See what tomorrow brings. Dinner time. Should be way more drunk. You're right in my shot, bro. Well, good morning. It's the beginning of day 2. Slept really good last night. I sleep so good out in the woods for some reason. I don't know if it's just the quiet or what, but anyway, I got up this morning pretty early, broke camp down about halfway, had some coffee, and now I'm just out on a little walk trying to get the body loosened up, warmed up, and the plan for today is just like it was yesterday. There is no plan. There's a really good chance of rain today, so we're going to try and look at the radar and see where the least amount of rain is going to be, and you're going to point the wheel in that direction and head that way and just kind of explore. So that being said, I'm going to finish this up, head back to camp, pack the rest of the stuff up, and we're going to roll. So let's go. Taking a quick break here in the shade. You can grab a snack right here at the US-Canadian border crossing. See the flag right there. This is what happens when I follow Jake. Luckily the bike took the brunt of it because it's got a little bit on me, but yeah. She dirty. Aw, poor guy. Made it up here. Bike is naturally a mess. Check out this view. Starting to get a little bit of a shower. Raining a little bit, but okay, so tonight's plan, we'll see how it goes. We're north of Republic, Washington right now. We had to bomb down here to get fuel because the fuel that was at the last border crossing that we were at, stores closed on Sunday. So now we're gonna head, hopefully to avoid as much rain as possible, towards Oroville, Washington, which is right along the border of Canada, even further west. And we're gonna try and stay in the National Forest right outside of Oroville. So we'll see how tonight goes. End of day 2. Made it to this nice little mountain lake. The rain's trying to hold off, but we're getting a little bit of a sprinkle. See how tonight goes. Out for a little hike before it gets dark. Pretty steep, but hoping we can get the top up here, we get a good view of the lake. All right, made it to the top. Right there is the lake, and I'm camped right down there. That was definitely worth it. So a little recap of the day before it gets dark. It's raining, kind of like it's been doing off and on all day today. But we made it to this lake, set up camp. We decided to camp instead of hotel it. May or may not be a bad idea, so we'll find out. But you couldn't ask for a better spot if it wasn't raining, because we have this nice lake here. It's nice and open, and there's plenty of wood around. So
nobody around.
And not a person around. So kind of what you're looking for in a moto camping spot.
Couple nice roads today.
Rode some good roads today.
Amazing views.
Some gravel, some pavement. Both were awesome, and I'm definitely gonna make this trip again one day because it's one that I want to repeat for sure.
And got as close to Canada as we can get.
And yeah, we got about as close to Canada as you can legally get without crossing the border. So got some good drone shots, I believe, and really curious. By the time you see this, obviously you'll have seen the footage, but I'm really excited to see how this footage turns out. So we're gonna sit here in the rain for a little bit longer and probably wrap it up because the dry spot is inside the tent. But we'll see you in the morning. Well, the rain's here. It's raining hard now. I'm gonna put this big Agnes Tiger Wall tent to the test and sit here and eat some beef stroganoff for dinner. Another beautiful morning. Coffee going. Get the day started. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to support the channel, simply hit that subscribe button and that bell icon. That way you know when videos like this are released. Also, if you'd like to go a step further and support the channel, head over to the website and pick up some gear. There's also an option there to join Patreon. So check it out. Once again, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.